video, what we're doing is we are going to look at Shopify and looking at the store setup, where we are going to look at themes for your store. Now, Shopify has got a lot of different types of themes. Let's quickly run through them here. Let's have a look at the ones in the slider here. What they're great at providing is clean, minimalist designs. Clean and minimalist is what you should consider for your business because it's more professional. People don't want to see a lot of writing on pages. If there is any writing, it should be short, concise, and to the point. So within Shopify, there are hundreds, if not thousands, of different themes that you can choose from. What I suggest, if you're first starting out and don't have the money to go and buy a theme, you can start with a free theme. There's a couple to choose from. Go and look for one that represents the look and feel that you're comfortable with. Obviously, there are different kinds of themes that Shopify provides for specific categories of sites or for your niche. So all you've got to do is go scroll through them, have a look, and see which one best will represent and highlight your business. So as you can see, here's different categories. Go look around, see what you can find. Here's a look at some of the other templates that they provide. These are obviously all paid for. They're all gorgeous minimalist designs. As I've said, clean and minimalist is the way to go, especially when you're trying to sell products. Great number of different layouts, and it's also great for if you've got lots and lots of different types of products, especially if you have a large inventory and you want an easy way for people to get access to the products. What you then do is create collections, and then people can just click on an image of a collection and then be presented with a product or range of products that they can choose from. As I've said, there's a minimalist style once again, and if you're a theme builder or a programmer, you can join Shopify and create themes for them. Create a business or just help people solve their problems with themes. Go and try Shopify. It's a 14-day free trial, no obligations whatsoever. If you don't want to continue after the 14 days, you don't need to upgrade. All that will happen is Shopify will delete your trial. Scroll down to the bottom here. There again are all the categories. You can choose a theme that will represent your business. Just click on a category, they're going to present you with a range of themes. Just like I've done now. Here you go. As I've said, lots to choose from, lots to look at. Great designs. If you have any questions, please get in touch with us. We'll be more than happy to help you. And if you like the content we're creating, please consider subscribing, liking,